Hello YouTube. This video is going to show you how to upgrade or replace the memory on your laptop. A couple of things that we're going to need for this project is a small Phillips head screwdriver and a new memory module. Please make sure when you're purchasing your RAM that you get the correct RAM model for your particular laptop. You can usually find this at an electronic retail store or online. And a small Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to be working under the laptop, so you want to do is flip it over. First thing that you want to do is remove the battery. We don't want any power during this operation. Second thing you want to do is identify the memory compartments and remove the screws. Once you unscrew it, just lift up the cover. And before you touch anything, please make sure you ground yourself. Just touch a bare piece of metal to release any static electricity. As you can see, we have here two modules installed already. We're going to replace one with a 2 GB chip. So the third thing you need to do is release the latches from the sides of the module slot. There are usually two latches on each side of the memory. You want to release that until the memory pops out at a 30-degree angle. Then carefully slide it out. Then we want to replace it with the new memory. Make sure when you're placing the memory that it aligns correctly inside the slot. Once it's aligned correctly, you want to push, then firmly press down until the latches are secure. You'll usually hear a click, which indicates the memory has been installed correctly. Then screw the memory slot cover back in place. Final thing you want to do is install the battery.